All right. So today I'm going to be cooking your steak with the help of some incredible cutting-edge brand new technology that you just saw in the video. I mean, this is amazing stuff where generative AI meets incredible sensors from across the Bosch world.
And the beauty of it all, it's all based on something the 800 series induction cooktop already has built in, which is our AutoChef feature.
That's absolutely right, Paul. AutoChef is the basis here. Go ahead and get both these in. So for the 800 series, AutoChef is absolutely the basis. It's a sensor-based technology that continuously regulates the temperature of your frying pan. Normally, as the chef, I do that, but in this case, AutoChef is helping me adjust all those things appropriately. So it's basically being leveled up by the new Bosch Cook AI. That feature is actually still in final testing, but we're going to give you a little sneak peek today of how it's all going to work and how helpful it's going to be for home cooks and professional chefs alike.
And we are always very excited to see AI making life easier. So can you tell us a little more about how it makes your life easier and how it works?
Yeah, sure, Tanya. So Bosch Cook AI is powered by generative AI, and it's combined with proprietary technologies and processes inside of the appliance. Basically, as you saw in the video there, you take a picture of your ingredients, you tell it the result that you want, whether it's steam, bake, fry, medium rare. In this case, we're talking about the doneness of our steak, which is going to be medium rare. So we put a Bluetooth probe inside of the steak, and it will track the internal temperature of the steak. So together with Bosch Cook AI and AutoChef, work in conjunction to give you the desired results that you need.
Well, Marcel, I have to say, that sounds fantastic, but you know, a chef of your caliber, do you really need something like this?
Yeah, I mean, honestly, Paul, I will take all the help I can get in the kitchen. I'm also a huge fan of science and technology, and honestly, I find it really exciting to see the latest innovations and how basically you guys are taking my profession to the next level. And that's pretty much why I love Bosch, because I feel like I'm getting a preview of something we're all going to be using in the future. And really, to be honest, you guys are the enablers of the future, and I'm just honored to be able to play a part in that. Let me just go ahead and... I like that, a little bit of turmeric, a little pro tip. Gives you a little extra caramelization, a little extra sear, a little more Maillard reaction to the steaks. Go ahead and do a little flip here. But to be honest, Paul, also, at the end of the day, right, professional chefs, home cooks, doesn't really matter. We all have to get food on the table. And as I said before, I will take all the help I can get. And honestly, when my 5-year-old is running around distracting me at the wrong moment, you know, we can all forget about something in the oven.
Oh, I know all about that. I think when my kids were young, I would have loved to have something like this that would help me a lot.
Yeah. I feel so blessed to actually have, you know, all of this incredible technology at a time like this. I mean, to be honest, we are all extremely blessed to live in the present moment and to just have all of these advancements that, you know, our forefathers didn't really get the opportunity to utilize.